Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes using Sprintax. First, gather all your essential tax documents, such as your Form W-2, Form 1042S, or any 1099 forms. Next, create an account on the Sprintax website and carefully input your personal information. Be sure to answer all questions accurately regarding your residency status and income sources to ensure a correct tax return. Once logged in, you'll enter all your income details from your collected tax forms. Sprintax will guide you through reporting any applicable deductions or credits you might qualify for, which can help reduce your overall taxable income. The system is designed to help determine your correct tax residency status, whether you are a resident or non-resident alien, ensuring compliance with IRS rules. After entering all your information, take your time to carefully review your entire tax return for any potential errors or omissions. Sprintax will then calculate your final tax liability or show you your potential refund amount. You will then choose your preferred method for submitting your tax return, which can often be done electronically for convenience and speed. Once your return is filed, it's crucial to keep copies of all your tax documents and the submitted return for at least 3 years. If you are expecting a refund, you can monitor its status directly on the IRS website. Should you receive any correspondence from the IRS or state tax authorities, be sure to respond promptly to avoid any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.